After suffering a major blow to its reputation, Samsung Electronics is in total damage control mode. The company is offering financial incentives to customers in the U.S. and South Korea. So joining us now to break all this down is Roger Cheng, executive editor at CNET. Roger, thanks for joining us today.
Thanks for having me.
What is Samsung offering customers?
So Samsung, in addition to a $25 credit, which was part of the original offer in the recall, Samsung is upping the ante and offering an extra $100 off of your cell phone bill if you trade in your phone now.
Do you think this is going to be enough to actually keep customers? I mean, we've got Apple, Google, other rivals that are just essentially just waiting in the wings with new devices to scoop up some of these defectors. Do you think this is going to be enough?
I don't know if it's going to be enough to win back or repair Samsung's credibility or reputation, but the $100 incentive is really more designed to get people to actually turn in their phones. I've actually talked to a number of Note customers over the last week who say that despite the numerous warnings that are out there, they're going to still keep their phones.
Which is pretty amazing to me, especially when you think about the elaborate packaging that's being sent out so folks can actually return these devices. Now, we know Samsung is expecting to see a $2.3 billion bite out of earnings tied to this entire recall. How much will these incentives take a bite out of the bottom line for Samsung?
I imagine some of these incentives are probably baked into their financial guidance.
Yeah.
It's not necessarily a monetary thing. What they're spending the money on is really repairing their reputation and trying to get people to turn in their phones. Because right now, Samsung is actually fortunate that something more tragic hasn't happened yet. A house burning down, someone actually getting severely injured or even dying from an incident of a Note 7 overheating. So I think right now it's in Samsung's best interest to get these phones back as quickly as possible.
Yeah, not to mention the fact that it's starting to shed a light or shine a light on appliances, for example, washing machines, which I know people are starting to speculate about in light of all of this, I guess, damage to the company's brand. Just real quick, what exactly is causing these phones to overheat? Do we have any more guidance on that?
Samsung doesn't know yet. I mean, the cause of the initial batch of replacements was a battery issue. They suspect it's still a battery issue, but there's a lot of talk about whether or not that's the root cause. They switched suppliers for the replacement version of the Note 7, and these phones are still overheating, so there's a bigger problem at hand. I know the CPSC and Samsung are still investigating. I've actually seen some sort of the forensic photos of the original Note 7s, and so there's still a lot of work to be done to really determine what is the root cause behind these overheating phones.
Well, Roger Cheng, thanks for breaking this down for us. Thank you for watching. I'm Morgan Brennan. Have a great day.
Hey CNBC fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Here you're going to find videos packed with all of the information that you need to be smarter about your finances. You can subscribe by clicking right here and click on all the videos around me or the I right here to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.